Hello my friends and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for visiting my channel, taking your precious time to visit Transylvanian Rider channel. I'm a little bit ashamed. I didn't post too much lately, but I was quite busy. I had another project ongoing and all my hobby videos had to remain unedited until now. But I'm glad to announce you that I will post a few videos from now. In today's video I will make a combined video. First, some light maintenance, because I had the air filter replaced, the chain, all the chain assembly, all the chain kit with the front sprocket and the rear sprocket, and both part, spoiler alert, were worn out very well. The air filter I did change at 25,000 kilometers, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, and I a little bit postponed that operation because I was afraid about the scale of the operation. But finally it was quite easy to replace the air filter. It is under the fuel tank, and I had to remove the on one side the crash guard, but all of this operation were manageable, doable, and quite quick. The filter was very dirty. That's because of my kind of riding, because at 25,000 kilometers I have a lot of off-road riding in dust, and I'm glad I replaced the filter. For all of you who have this kind of bike and you are below 20,000 kilometers or 25,000 kilometers, I would recommend to check the air filter, and if you can, not just clean it, replace it. And also my front sprocket, it was a surprise, yeah. By chance I discovered that the front sprocket is very worn out. It doesn't do anything wrong, but I just visually inspected the assembly and I saw that it is very worn out. With this occasion, the front sprocket I find the original one, but for the real sprocket it was quite difficult to find the original, and I chose to put a 46th foot one. You know, this kind of engine is quite pushed to high revs, and any slight improvement is appreciated. And after all of this technical maintenance, I had to take out the bike for a ride to see if everything is correctly installed and the bike is okay. With this occasion, I take you all with me to ride here in my surroundings. I have to say we are very lucky to be free to ride everywhere we want, but I'm pretty sure that with all the European Union regulamentation, they will come also in Romania, and that is coming with restrictions, not with freedom. Yeah, and that's the reason why I take advantage of every moment when I can ride out, and I take my bike to ride here in the surroundings. So thank you again for visiting my channel. If you like what you see, you can give a thumbs up and you can subscribe, but it's not mandatory. And please enjoy the video, and we will meet again in short time with another video. Until then, stay safe and enjoy the video. Bye.